In some cases, the hazard potential in such plants can be considerable. But despite this, the number of industrial accidents involving machinery has fallen in recent years.
Yes, and that's no coincidence.
Machine manufacturers have to implement all the regulations and minimize any risks. This can quickly become a very complex task.
Siemens supports machine manufacturers in the implementation process all the way from planning to final acceptance, including mandatory documentation.
In drive technology, SINAMICS Safety Integrated plays a key role.
Why is that? What does integrated mean in this context?
It actually means integrated. The SINAMICS converters with safety integrated are safe even without external safety relays.
The basis for compliance with critical standards and regulations is activated with just one mouse click during commissioning. No additional components are required, as it is usually the case for conventional setups with external safety relays. At the same time, wiring effort and contact wear during operation are eliminated, not to mention the space savings in the control cabinet.
And which integrated safety functions does the SINAMICS family offer?
Essentially, there are four main safety clusters. Safe stop functions, which include all functions that safely monitor the termination of a motion. Safe brake management. After all, a brake has to actually work to be of any use.
Safe motion monitoring, whether speed, acceleration, or direction of rotation, all are reliably and safely monitored. And safe position monitoring, to ensure that the machine elements are really at the right place.
That covers all relevant functions.
Yes, and within these clusters, there are numerous certified functions that help to fulfill the requirements of the safety concept.
The following applies to all of these functions. Simply select and parameterize them via a checkbox in the TIA Portal engineering software and enable the corresponding basic, extended, or advanced software options.
There are no more separated programs. The safety program is integrated in the regular program. So there is only one system for engineering and hardware. This speeds up commissioning and, well, in the event of a fault, the cause is also found more quickly if you only have to look in one place.
But there are also other functional advantages when safety engineering is integrated directly into the drive as software. For example, on a winder, the current roller diameter can be factored into the winding or unwinding speed, and it is much more flexible due to the tracking of the monitored speed limits. That can increase the productivity of the entire plant.
Under certain conditions, speeds can even be monitored safely without an encoder. A great benefit when one isn't available.
It makes the overall system extremely practical and flexible when functions are easy to modify or add via software.
The control is also versatile. A SINAMICS converter in a Profinet network can become a Profi-safe node at any time, just by changing the telegram. Of course, the safety functions can be directly triggered via the hardware terminals as well.
Additional applications offer further added value along the machine life cycle. In the planning stage, you can evaluate safety-related machine control systems using the safety evaluation function in the TIA selection tool. To finalize the machine, the safety acceptance test in SINAMICS Drive Advanced automatically generates a valid documentation.
SINAMICS Safety Integrated is a truly efficient module within the SINAMICS Drive software, offering the best possible protection for people, machines, and the environment.
Visit our topic page on the internet for more information.